Dude, you're gonna hit that guy. You gotta stop. Dude, I tried to warn you, man.
I'm not gonna stop.
I tried to warn you, man.
The fuck? Did he have an airbag in the back seat?
No, it's like a little pillar airbag that goes in like the side.
Oh.
Realistically see progress. I understand a lot of you are saying, oh, these lawyers.
Dude.
Oh.
It was a truck.
It sounded like a bag of chips crumpled.
Yeah, it did, yeah. It sounded like someone dropped a bag of Doritos.
What the fuck is... Dude, this looks like a clip from, like, the Cops show.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it. Like, it just does. It has that vibe.
It's
right before
cool.
they come out of the car and start chasing someone down.
It's crazy they just didn't stop.
It's pretty bad, man.
It'll buff out, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It will.
It's not that bad. Like, you know, I just stopped crying, to be honest. Like, it's your fault for owning a
Florida,
gay
this
little truck.
makes sense. They were texting. They were on their phone.
Yeah, but that's allowed, though.
Yeah, that is fun. Dude, that
This is
kid's
LA.
big-ass backpack, bro. You got enough textbooks in there, loser. Dork.
Holy
Oh, shit.
dude.
Why did...
All right.
I'm pretty sure that video just cut through time. Like, there was a cut in the middle of it.
Let's see.
Like,
Really?
There's a timestamp. Let's see.
Because, I mean, it did seem like the car just kind of appeared.
I swear to God, like, it just fucking...
All right, let's keep it close.
It's
Yeah,
it
yeah.
skipped by like 10
Oh, my
seconds.
God. Yeah, like, maybe like 5. I think
Yeah,
So
it
why'd they
wasn't
keep the
long.
first bit in? Why not
I
just
don't know.
start it from the middle?
It's to bait you, be like, look at
Yeah.
this kid get hit. I don't know.
Okay. La la loo, la la loo loo. Doo doo la la la. Shut up, man. I'm like Joe
Dude,
Biden right
where
now, bro.
are
You
we?
just shut up,
What?
man. I'm
Dude,
scared,
I don't
I'm
like
scared,
this.
I'm
I
scared,
hate
I'm
this.
scared. I'm gonna keep going because I don't want to turn on my lights. Fucking idiot.
What was that? What is everyone doing, man?
Who knows, man? Fucked up ass country. Okay.
God damn, bro.
Guy
just got
driving
peeled.
didn't even look like he was gonna stop. By the way, he looked like he was gonna blow straight through that.
They never
Well,
do,
you
man.
probably
They
was
never do look
flying.
like they're gonna stop. Like, look at this. Just not even gonna stop. I don't care. Fuck you. Okay. Never mind. They did stop. Oh, you got an Uber driver! Yeah! You fucking accept that Uber Eats order, bro. My $75 Popeyes order for that fucking one-piece meal. Do not eat that chopper cupcake. It will give you diarrhea.
Ew.
It was bad. It tasted like fucking Pepto. Oh, Bismol.
Saved it, man.
Dude, this
Oh.
this dash
Dude,
cam
there's
is
a tornado
in
in the sky.
2032. I just need to point that out. This is from the
We're in the
future.
future. Yeah, the world kind of looks fine.
Dude, I'm
Maybe it's better in
surprised
the
it's not
future.
new.
Oh. What goofy ass music are you singing
This
along?
guy flipped his boat,
What?
bro!
Okay, I didn't even notice the crash. I'm sorry. I was just noticing the guy just singing along to this goofy ass song.
I know. What is this
It's
trash
funny.
coming out of
It's
his
silly.
fucking radio?
I'm a big truck. I don't need to do anything. Oh, that's not a truck. That's a stupid other gay
It's a
vehicle.
4Runner.
What is it, an SUV? Eh, same shit, more or less. Yeah, alright, Jayco. More like I'm gonna Jayco. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, you're not done with him.
He just drove straight into that, man.
That was dead
This
ass
is
like when
also
Sandy
Florida.
fucking... When Sandy lassoed Patrick and then he just exploded. That's what just happened to another car. I feel like we've been here before like 4 times and it was never good!
Dude, he just did an actual barrel roll. Like,
Yeah.
oh, fucking. Oh,
Camera
come
did,
on, dude.
Cyclist spotted. Okay, wait a second. Hold on. Is the light was green for these guys, right?
Let's see. Let's
The
go
driver?
back. Let's go back.
It looked. I think it said
Yes.
yellow when he got.
It
Yup,
was
okay, so
green.
cyclists were in the wrong for once in their life. They were in the wrong. San Diego. Why are we? Okay, this is actually a banger song.
Yeah, this is New York, bro.
Fucking Matt Murdock.
No,
is
that was
driving.
Canada.
Oh,
It
no,
said
he's
kilometer.
blind. He can't drive. This fucking Wilson Fisk ass truck, dude.
Bro, I would be so pissed.
This highway, we've seen this highway like 20 times with
It's
this
just
exact
North
ditch.
America, dude.
Someone
Yeah,
always
also
ends up in
every-
this fucking ditch.
Yeah, a lot of highways are not that unique. Oh, okay.
Oh, he was letting out a little fart. Did you hear
Yeah,
that?
the car just like shat itself. What the hell was that?
Dude, what is this fucking music? Shut up, man.
You see, I was probably on this highway before.
This is Colorado.
Oh my god! You had to really fuck up to do all that. What the hell?
Dude, he landed it though.
Dude, any other angle for your camera, I feel.
It's
Okay, you got the perfect shot, never
camera,
mind.
man.
Yeah, but it's like so weird, bro. Like, come on, put it in the corner or something. It's so awkward. Okay. Pretty sure I live
And then
here.
he gets hit by the guy turning right. Oh.
Whoa, dude, what the fuck? This color grading, this cinematography. Look at this.
Yeah, this literally just
Bro,
looks like that
who the
picture that
fuck?
fucking Matt Reeves tweeted as the fucking Batman 2 like teaser.
Genuinely, look at like the Matrix,
fuck?
bro.
Yeah, like that little bottom part and like all that. Dude, that's fucking weird.
You're talking about this shit. I just can't get over this dipshit stop in the middle of the fucking street. Like, what the fuck is he doing? Who the fuck stops to turn left if there's no one there?
Uh-oh. This dude just got back shots on his vehicle.
They got front
That's
shots.
what you get, man. Put a big ass arm on top of your fucking wagon, like that's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, literally, bro. Yeah,
It
out.
is kind of crazy. You tried to go past that guy. I think you technically hit the right of way, but like, come on.
big ass motherfucker.
Oh shit!
Oh no!
Oh, dude.
Aw, there was no bagged garbage in there whatsoever. Everything's just loose.
Why did like dust fly out? What the fuck? It looks like
Meemaw
it
got thrown away on
exploded,
accident,
dude.
I
Look at it.
guess.
It's like it looks like
It's like the
fireworks
cinnamon
in
challenge,
there.
bro. Just. Uh-oh.
Dude!
Oh my god.
They shouldn't have stopped. I think they made that way worse by stopping. I think they just got the full brunt of it.
I mean, what are you gonna do?
Drake
Like,
albums in front
speed
of us
up?
right now. Yep. Two of them just killed themselves. Okay.
Are they? They're chasing the U-Haul, dude. Okay, he can't be that dangerous if he's driving a U-Haul. I'm just gonna get
I
real.
want to drive a U-Haul one day, bro. That's one of my like
They're
goals,
just
in my opinion.
kinda shitty cars. I mean,
How
they're-
the
you
fuck
can't-
is this
Tipping
like?
over at me, you got yourself.
I'm being real. You kind of
Dude,
deserve
stop
that, bozo.
turning. Yeah,
How
you
are they just
fucked
allowed
us.
to do
That's-
this? How are they just
No
allowed to
offense.
fucking like?
No offense, bro. This guy should have his badge taken and his gun taken away from him. He has just been mogged.
Okay, the real answer: Americans love violence. The second real answer is that this is kind of just our culture. Like this is like Wild
It's like on a
West culture.
fucking public highway.
Yeah,
Like
but,
people
like-
could die because of the fucking shit, bro.
No, but like imagine yourself as a cowboy and this guy just stole your shit and you can like take him out. Like that's epic, right?
Yeah, no, we're gonna go to his fucking
Yeah.
camp and take all his shit and
That's-
take his horse
that's
and
epic.
fucking yeah. All right, I get you. Yeah, like mate.
Yep. Yeah, man, I'd be careful. I'd be careful. Hey, watch your jet. Ugh.
Oof.
Dude.
All right, now
You
put it
get,
in
man. I'm
reverse.
just saying.
Jump scare. UK jump
Okay.
scare.
Oh, I can't see.
This fucking Death Stranding, bro.
Ja, voor weer gaat als vanuit zo zwaar gegaan.
Jesus.
Stupid ass. What?
What in the fuck? What was that?
Oei, wat was dat dan?
Hey, that guy had a bicycle on his car.
Jesus Christ! Turn it off, man! What is that?
Sounds my
Turn
alarm, like
off
my
your
alarm
fax
in the mornings.
machine, bro!
He's getting up for work, man. It's his alarm clock.
Yeah. He's got to stay awake. What even just happened?
Oh, they
Oh.
clipped them.
Little love tap.
Oh, this is pretty bad.
This is sick.
Oh no!
Don't slow down. Just go past them, bro. Go
just go to
past
bed.
them.
This is really beautiful.
Dude, that guy just fucking used magic to make him crash!
He coughed.
He just
did
coughed
the
and he's
cough that
running
causes
control!
everyone- He did the cop that causes the red car in front of him to crash. What?
The fuck was that? Some guy was just talking to me.
I got really scared. What are you? Go, Kevin Owens. The fuck are you doing?
What are you doing?
That's what I said. Man.
Dude!
Get trolled.
Bro, you just see the thinking face he hit in the car?
First ever
That's
based
funny,
biker.
man.
That's crazy, man. And then he hits this fucking car that's in front of him.
The way he's just riding away laughing like a fucking horseman or some shit, bro. Like, like the fucking headless horseman. Fucking
Yeah, the guy that like holds his fucking pumpkin head or whatever.
yeah.
Yeah, that was stupid. The horseman bit was funnier.
Look at this texture, bro. This grain. This
Okay.
film grain.
Yeah, everything's been sharpened a little bit.
True!
Yup.
Fucking running red lights, you fucking moron.
Alright, get out and fight him then. If you're gonna talk,
Yeah,
you gotta
that's what I'm
fucking
saying.
fight.
Yup. You ready to put your life on the line? Oh.
God damn.
Hey, there's a TJ Maxx, man. I pull in there. TJ Maxx has some fucking bangers sometimes.
Don't always work. Has to do with Albertsons itself. Back in 2015, Albertsons bought.
Hit the brakes! Brake!
The fuck is this guy listening to?
The news or something? I don't know.
Albertsons, like the stock episode? The fuck?
This-
Some
The store?
fucking podcast, bro.
The Albertsons podcast.
And it got sold off to
Literally, that's what it sounds like.
That bought a couple dozen stores or a few dozen stores.
Oregon.
This is
I mean,
Oregon,
you
I
could tell
agree.
he was gonna cut you off, but yeah, he is slow.
Yeah. Oh my god, God's light is coming down and beaming upon us all. Okay. Yep. That makes sense.
What? What the
I think
fuck?
both of you are a little stupid, but you know. Oh god, what is...
Whoa! Holy shit, what the fuck did you do?
Sorry,
like, his
I didn't mean to
wheel just
voice
blew
act
up.
that.
You just...
You pray. Yep. That's what whoever in the back seat was in that car, that's what they get. This is the UK, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
by
can
the
tell
vape
because
shop.
there's a betting
Dude.
office and a fucking vape shop
It would
like next door to
suck
each other.
to be this guy, because you fucking run over this car, right? Watch the amount of people who walk outside to just see this happen.
Oh my god! At the same time, like it was a fucking, like a Curb Your Enthusiasm fucking clip.
Yeah, everyone
What was
came out
that?
and see what you were doing, bro.
Now, speaking of which, this guy's tire could probably fly off too.
And if
It's
it's
not
not
gonna
broke,
be a
don't
problem.
fix it.
He's getting home, man. If it works, it works.
Yeah, man, let him do his
what-
thing. Come on.
What else is he supposed to do? Just leave it in the streets? Like, just get out and leave it?
Yeah,
like,
just
no, man.
walk home. Nah, man.